Want to make your Telegram group feel more inviting and professional? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up an automatic welcome message using a bot, so anytime someone joins your chat, they'll instantly get a friendly greeting. By the end, you'll know how to add, configure, and personalize a bot to greet new members, making your group more welcoming and organized. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need is a bot that can handle welcomes. One of the most popular is called Rosebot, but there are several others out there. To find it, open Telegram, tap that magnifying glass up top and type Rosebot. It should pop up in your search results. Bots are essentially little assistants that live inside Telegram and automate some tasks for you, almost like having a digital receptionist for your group. Go ahead and select the bot and make sure it's legitimate. Check for the recognized logo and reviews if you're unsure. Now let's add the bot to your group. Open your group chat, tap the group's name at the top, that's where all the settings live. Then choose Add Members. In the member search bar, type the bot's username, such as @MissRoseBot. When it appears, select it and hit Add. Don't worry if your group is large or small, the process works the same. If Telegram asks for any permissions at this step, just follow the prompts and you're set. Next, we need to make sure the bot has the proper admin rights to actually send messages. Think of admin privileges like giving someone the keys to your group. They'll be able to perform certain actions like posting greetings automatically. Go back to your group settings by tapping the group name again and selecting Edit. You'll see a pencil icon to the right. In the list, look for Administrators. Tap that, then Add Admin. Search for the bot's username again and add it as an administrator. Telegram may show you a checklist of permissions. Usually the bot just needs to be able to send messages, so you can leave the rest unchecked if you prefer. Now with the bot in place and admin rights sorted, it's time to activate those welcome messages. Head back into your group chat and type the command, welcome yes. Just type it out as you would a regular message and hit send. The bot should reply in a moment, confirming that welcome messages are now active for your group. If you don't see a response, double-check that the bot is an admin and hasn't been muted. You want to make sure it's able to reply in the chat. But what's really fun here is that you can actually customize the greeting. Let's set your own welcome message. To do that, type welcome followed by whatever message you want new members to see, for example. Set welcome hi username, welcome to chat name. Here's a helpful tip: the bracketed words username and chat name act as placeholders. Every time someone joins, the message instantly updates to greet them by name and mention the group, so it feels much more personal. Get creative, maybe add a quick summary of what your group is about or drop a smiley to set the tone. Once you've typed out your custom message, hit send. The bot should confirm that it's saved, and from now on, everyone who joins will get your tailored greeting. This takes just a minute, but it really helps new members feel at home, and it can cut down on confusion or repeated questions. And that's it, you've set a welcoming message for your Telegram group. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward tutorials. Got any questions, stuck on a step, or want to share your own custom message ideas? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.